ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೋರ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಎಲಿಜಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ 2026 ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 2 ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅರ್ಹತಾ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ 2026 ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು ಪೇಪರ್ 2 ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಹಾಯವಾಗುವ ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿಯ ತರಗತಿಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 1 ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮಲ್ಲೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹಾಗೂ ಆ ಕೀವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಕಾರಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಬೇಗ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಸೈಕಾಲಜಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಈಸ್ Himanshi Singh written book, but in this video I give the important points and information that is from Himanshi ma'am book, and also previous year question paper analyzed extra points are also added for the concept. So we study accordingly syllabus and also previous year question paper analyzed pattern. In psychology, by using this method, we can score 30 out of 30 in the CTET examination. In the class, we'll learn about the important concepts which is required for the exam. Then, let's start the class. Concept of growth and development. This is our first chapter. Development. Development is a progressive series of changes that occur in an orderly and predictable pattern as a result of maturation and experience. Development is a continuous process from womb to tomb. Development is not reversible but modifiable. Simply, development means changes. It is nothing but dependent to independent. Growth. Growth is also a part of development. Growth is in the development. In growth, we can see quantitative changes or structure changes. For example, increasing height, becoming fat, lose weight, etc. Quantitative means that we can measure. Growth can be measured in unit. For example, kg, inches, centimeter. Growth is a discontinuous process, means it stops after a period of time. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯು ನಿಂತು ಹೋಗುವ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ನಿಂತು ಹೋಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ವಿಕಾಸವು ನಿರಂತರ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಹುಟ್ಟಿನಿಂದ ಸಾವಿನವರೆಗೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಕಾಸ ಆಗುತ್ತಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, relationship between growth and development. Development and growth complements each other, add to another. Growth is a part of development. Growth, maturation and learning are all in development. Development and growth are interrelated to each other. Extra points. Child development. It is a field of study devoted to understanding all aspects of human growth from conception through adolescence. The study of growth and development is called developmental psychology. Maturity is highly related to heredity. Let's learn about the difference between growth and development. First, we see growth. Growth is related to physical changes. Growth has quantitative change. For example, height, weight, shape. Growth can see clearly and measured correctly. Example, kg, centimeter, inches. Growth has narrow domain. By the cell division process, we see the improvements in the body like weight and shape. It is stop after a period of time. Means when maturity occur, the growth will stop. Growth involves structural changes. Important point, growth is physical. Now we can see development. Development is the organization of various physical, mental and emotional behavioral aspects of the body. Development is about qualitative changes along with quantitative changes. Qualitative changes means way of doing something, ability to do something, emotional understanding, etc. Development is difficult to measure and we cannot see clearly, means we can only assessment them by using IQ, EQ, SQ. Development has broad domain. From the experience, learning takes place, means gain the experience from the involvement in situation or by doing activity. Development involves structural changes plus functional changes. It is a continuous process. Important point: development is internal or intrapersonal. Today, we'll learn about growth and development, relationship between growth and development, and the difference between growth and development. If you needed these classes in Kannada, let me know in the comment section. But you are attending the seated exam in English and Hindi language. So I refer all of you to study in English language. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನೀಡಿದ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ದೊರಕುತ್ತದೆ. ತಾವು ತಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಲು ಮರೆಯದಿರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೊಡನೆ ಸಹ ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.